Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, free ingredient. This is the most exquisite chocolate mousse ever made, and it's so easy. Made with boiling hot red wine, but tastes so good. Simply the best mousse au chocolat. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw 6 dates into a powerful blender, along with 4 ounces of a dairy-free dark chocolate. Next, bring 1½ cups of red wine to a boil. And add it in. Now blend it until super smooth. Let it cool in the fridge overnight. And enjoy with super tasty and most exquisite chocolate mousse. Thanks for watching.